It is a very exciting day today because I will be riding my motorcycle going to a studio. Good thing I always have Farex B Complex inside my motorcycle bag. Farex B Complex contains the right levels of vitamins B1, B6, and B12 suitable for daily intake. Riding the motorcycle can be uncomfortable and tiring over time. Sometimes na-experience ko na medyo nangangalay and namamanhid na yung mga ibang body parts ko. That is why I always drink Farex B Complex to prevent symptoms of neuropathy. Yay! I made it to the studio. The photo shoot is scheduled for the entire day. So talagang nakakapagod yan. But I know that I will make it through the day because Farex B Complex helps give the brain and body the energy boost it needs, as long as it is with proper diet and exercise. O diba? Kahit nakakapagod magmotor at whole day yung shoot, Farex excited pa rin yung katawan di isip ko. I am living the Farex exciting life. Iwas manhid, tusok-tusok, and ngalay with Farex B Complex.